Set, snap, done. Chalfant GR Magic Wire Mesh Tray is the easiest and fastest cable tray solution around, with its patented snap-together connection ensuring you the shortest possible installation time, helping contractors save time and labor costs. GR Magic Mesh Cable Tray requires no connection hardware and is easily field modified with a full line of covers, accessories, and fittings. To accommodate your wire and cable needs, GR Magic Tray is offered in multiple sizes and finishes. The tray can be 2 to 24 inches wide and comes in 1 to 6 inches tall sizes, and is available in electro-galvanized, hot-dipped, or stainless steel finishes, and it can even be powder-coated in a range of colors. GR Magic Wire Mesh Tray leads the cable tray industry in versatility and labor-saving efficiency. It's all about helping you be more productive. Just set, snap, and done. Contact your local Chalfant representative to learn more.